Today we will start a new topic. Our learning target is I can identify true equations. Equations is a new word for us. An equation is down here. This is one example of an equation. An equation has two sides to it, and these two parts need to be equal for it to be true. So we're going to be taking a look at these type of equations today. What do you notice about these equations? Well, in this first one, I see that it says 5 equals 5. I'm going to think about that. So I have 5 cubes here and 5 cubes here. Those are the two numbers on both sides of the equal sign. I'm going to compare the two. Are they the same? They are the same. If they're the same, they're equal. So 5 does equal 5. We can see that here. Let's take a look at this one. It says 7 equals 3. Well, I have 7 cubes here, and I have 3 cubes here. Let's compare them. Are they the same? No, those two are not the same at all. This is not a true equation. What we're going to do to represent if it's a true equation or not a true equation is we will circle it if it's true, and we'll draw an X if it's not true. Let's take a look at a couple more problems. So we had this problem I just showed you. If you don't want to use your cubes at home, you could also use counters. So I'm going to grab 5 red counters, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to grab 5 yellow counters. That's 5. And again, I want you to compare. Are they the same? The colors are different, but it's the same amount. Now let's take a look, and like I said, we'll circle this one, then this one's correct. Now let's take a look at this one. 7 equals 3. Well, I will add 2 more down here. So now I have 7 red dots, and we're going to get rid of a couple to make it 3 yellow dots. Now, does this amount look the same? No, 7 equals 3 is not a true equation. We would say this is a false equation, or that it's incorrect. Okay, we're going to try a couple other ones. So we're going to look at these numbers here. So we have 14 equals 41. Well, so far what we've noticed is the number has to be the same on both sides. Is 14 the same as 41? No. What about 71 equals 71? Is 71 the same as 71? Yeah, that is the same. Those numbers are the same. Let's take a look at this one. 52 equals 29. Well, we're going to think 52 is the same as 29. Is that true? No, it's not. Okay, on this last one, again, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, actually. Is 35 equal to 35? We can read it as 35 is the same as 35. Ding, ding, ding. That's true. Those are the same numbers on both sides. On your math sheet today, it has a learning target at the top. It says, I can identify true equations. Here it says, circle either true or false for each equation. The word true means it's correct. The word false means it's wrong. So if we'll just do this first one together, it says 2 equals 2. Well, if you're not sure, you could build it. So I have 2 equals 2. Now, are those the same? They are the same. And you can tell because the same numbers are there in the same order. So we're going to circle the word true. You'll do that for the next 2. Here it says circle all of the true equations. So we'll circle ones that are true and cross off ones that are not. Let's do this first one together. 7 equals 4. Well, so I have 7 and I have 4. Well, are they the same? No, they're not. So what we're going to do, we're not going to circle it, we're going to put an X in it. Now, if you do find one that is true, for example, 0 equals 0, you circle it. The last part down here is you need to write true equations. You just need to think of your own. Well, I'm going to take my favorite number. My favorite number is 8. So I'm going to say 8 is equal to, well, I'm not sure. I could build it. So here's my 8. Well, I need to have one that's exactly the same size as this. So it has to be 8, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 equals 8, and then that would be true. Okay, good luck on your practice sheet today. You'll do great.